Greetings Synapse CI/CD fans, welcome to this video series on Synapse CI/CD. My name is Rui Cunha and I'm a support escalation engineer on the Azure Synapse Analytics team. When working on a Git integrated workspace, we are allowing team members to publish, review, and iterate on code changes through Git branches shared with others. In Synapse, you should adopt a branching strategy that will allow your team to collaborate better, spending less time managing version control and more time developing your code. In this video, we will be demonstrating a simple branching strategy when working on a single project in Synapse Studio. Let's watch the demo and see how you can achieve this. So here is my project that is integrated with my Git repo. Today I'm about to kick off a new project, so I will start the development of a new feature, but working with me I have another colleague that will work on a separate feature. So I have here my main branch that represents the shared code base. I don't have any artifact developed yet. My new feature is about creating a new pipeline using a notebook. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to create a new feature branch. I will give it my name and my new pipeline. This will be created based on my shared code base, main branch. So now, if I go here to my branches, I will have my new pipeline feature branch under this folder, and this pipeline will have the same structure, folder structure as the main branch. So now I will start my development. I will just create a simple notebook. Print something like hello world, it doesn't matter now. I'm going to call this my new notebook, and I'm going to commit my changes, and here in the pipelines I will create a new pipeline. I can create a new folder. Let me call it Rui here and move it this pipeline here, name it my new pipeline. My new pipeline. And a notebook activity here, and under settings select my new notebook. Okay. So now I have my development done. Commit all. So what I should expect now here in my feature branch to have my notebook and my pipeline artifacts here. Now second developer comes in. Let's create a new branch. Call it John. New script. Okay, John will be creating a new SQL script. Let's go to the develop up. So now I'm under the John new script branch. Here is my feature branch with this structure. Notebook, pipeline, it's here. Now if I go to the branches, you will see John new script branch under the John folder. So his branch was created based on the main branch. So this is the structure of the main branch, and this is the structure of my branch, feature branch. So here, when I switch to the John's branch, I will not see my code here because my code hasn't been merged with the collaboration branch yet. So now what I'm going to do is to create a SQL script. Call it select version, for example. Doesn't matter now. And I will commit my changes. Now, what will happen here is that when I switch to my feature branch, I need now to merge my changes. Everything has been tested, all good, so I'm going to merge my changes with my shared code base. So what I need to do here is to create a pull request, and here you can see the files that I have created with this new files representing this plus sign representing the new files, okay, and my commit. Okay. Now, what I need to do is to provide the title, Rui's new code, and to create the pull request. No merge conflicts. This should have been reviewed. I don't have any reviewers yet, so just a simple scenario to demonstrate all the workflow in Synapse CI/CD in terms of this branching strategy. So I will delete my feature branch after merging this. And when the pull request is completed, if you to my branches, you will no longer see my feature branch here, but in main, since I have merged my changes, here it is the notebook and pipeline. So when I switch back to my main branch, I will see these new artifacts here. Now you will no longer see my branch Rui, but John's feature branch is still here. And in John's feature branch, John has developed this script, and now this script is ready to be merged with main. So now he needs to create this pull request. Here it is, the new SQL script that was just added with a single commit. So now I'm ready to merge John's changes and delete his feature branch with the master branch, with the main branch, in this case, the collaboration branch. Now I need to close this, switch to main. Now in main, if you go here and do refresh, you will see John's SQL script here along with my Rui's artifacts here. Now all these artifacts, John's SQL script, the notebooks, the pipeline, they are still in our Git repository. If you switch to live mode, these artifacts don't exist yet. And this is because we are still working in this Git layer. On top of this Git layer, we are not hitting or interacting with the service with live mode. So to persist all our changes and bring all our code from Git to Synapse to live mode, we need to publish all pending changes that exist in main to live. And when you do this, all these artifacts that are flagged here as pending changes will be added to live mode, and then on a second stage of this publish operation, the ARM templates will be generated to the workspace publish branch. So now I'm going to hit the OK button, wait for these artifacts to be published to live, and once we get the notification, we can check in live mode, and we can also check here. So the publish has been completed, so now I'm expecting when I switch to live mode, these artifacts are now available in live. If you switch now to your workspace publish branch, you will see these ARM templates have been published just now. And if you type something like search for pipelines, you'll see here my pipeline. If you search for dash notebook, you'll see here my notebook as well. So just to confirm that everything is here. Here is my SQL script as well. Another thing that you can also check is that when you publish any pending changes, let me just go back here to the Manage tab, you will see that this last published commit ID, this identifier, will be updated. Now, how can you check this? If you go to your Git repo and you go to your main branch and to the commits history from this main branch, you will see here the last commit. Look at the identifier here, and this identifier, if we go here, ending in 1340, it's this one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.